Howdy everyone, this is the API 4-in-1 Pond Master Test Kit. It's pretty easy to use with results that I can only assume are accurate, but the question we're going to try and answer is, why should you buy this over easier to use strips? If we take a look inside here, guys, we do have 4 separate vials, so we could theoretically collect 4 samples to run our 4 tests. Which does include pH, ammonia, nitrite, and phosphate. There's our nitrite test. We've got 2 bottles for the phosphate test, 2 bottles for the ammonia test, and 1 bottle for the pH test. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and fill each of the 4 vials to the 5 milliliter mark. Don't worry, not much guesswork here. The proper fill line is marked on each. Getting just the right amount can be a little tricky though. All right, we'll start with our pH test. Pretty easy. We have the blue bottle and we just simply add 5 drops. All right, so we're looking at about 6.5, which is probably low, so I'll probably have to raise that up a little bit. Next, I'll test our ammonia, which is hopefully going to be 0. First, add 8 drops from bottle 1. Then we'll add another 8 drops from bottle 2. And that is indeed looking like 0. So ideal on that one. Next we'll test our nitrite. We've got simply 5 drops here. And looking maybe a little bit darker than 0, but barely. And next we'll test out our phosphate here. 6 drops here. And on that phosphate, we're looking somewhere between 1 and 2 parts per million. One thing I wanted to show you that is a little weird is how the ammonia test changes color over time. Here it is right after adding the reactant, showing us 0 parts per million. And here it is after sitting for about 5 minutes, showing us about 2. It also kept getting darker the longer it sat. No other test behaved this way. So overall, nice kit, but I'm left with the question, why purchase this kit over, say, some test strips that actually test for more things, yet are easier to use? And to be honest, I can't think of a good reason. So bottom line, nice kit, easy to use, but time consuming, and most people are probably better off just buying the strips.